welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. Hope if you're new, if you're true, what's good? So on the agenda today, this is going to be a daily vlog. I'm going to take you with me throughout my day. If you have not, please take a moment to subscribe because we are super soldiers. We are a family over here, okay? We are fighting one hell of a battle and nobody gets that except for us. So take a moment to join the community. Now, as you've just seen, I got my pre-workout and I got my it's kind of my workout meal. I've learned that I work out better, especially for what I'm going to do today. I work out a lot better if I have something on my stomach because I just woke up. So I'm going to eat this. This is just rice cake with almond butter, and my pre-workout is just Alani. So I'm going to eat this and I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to show you guys what I do. And it's super simple because I'm a lazy girl. I'm just lazy, okay? I'm not going to sit in the gym for an hour, 2 hours. Some people might. That's not my thing. I get bored easily. And I don't have the attention span, okay? So I do probably about 2 or 3 machines. And they're simple. It's easy. And I don't make it hard. I do the reps that I need to do and I move on to the next machine. I mean, it's just that simple. And I've learned that the elliptical is that girl. So when I say that I get worked out on the elliptical, like way more than the treadmill, Stairmaster, we're not going to talk about her, okay? But I get such a good workout and I have a routine with that as well that I'm going to show you guys. So sit back, stay tuned. We got a long day because I got a lot of stuff I need to do.
I still hear your voice at night, make me feel alright. Jump right back into my life. Cause we could dance the night away, make me love you through the haze. Ain't no need to be afraid, I still hear your voice at night, make me feel alright. Jump right back into my life. Cause we could dance the night away, make me love you through the haze. Ain't no need to be afraid. Cause I want you bad, I do. You coming back, cause I still hear your voice at night, make me feel right. Jump right back into my life. Give me something else to do than thinking about. Are you thinking about it too? Don't need reason, my reasoning is you. I knew that we were bound to fall apart, but always kept you deep inside my heart. Maybe someday you'll forget the past. Still hear your voice at night, make me feel alright. Jump right back into my life. Cause we could dance the night away, make me love you through the haze. Ain't no need to be afraid. Cause I want you bad, I do. You coming back, cause I still hear your voice at night, make me feel alright. Jump right back into my.
So back in the house, that was a lot. Luckily nobody came in, so I was able to show you guys the full workout because my gym is small, because it's a community gym. I tried not to film when there's other people, but luckily nobody else came in, so you guys were able to see everything. So as far as the pounds on the machine, it's always 50. I started with 50, and if I feel like 50 is not giving me enough, that's when I'm going to go up. So I am tracking my workouts. I do 3 reps and rather 3 sets and 10 reps. So like the lateral pull, 10, I do it 3 times. The leg presses, I do 10 3 times. And when I feel like that's not enough, that's when I'll go up. I'll keep moving up. So I am tracking my workouts. I am tracking how I feel. But yeah, I started with 50. Now, I don't know if you guys saw, like if the camera was showing it, but the leg press, somebody had it on 200. Who in the world is living in this apartment complex? Because I want to know who is 200. Soon. I'm scared. Like, who is this? So I'm going to go shower, wash my face because I feel gross. And it's hot outside. So none of that helps. But I'm going to come back. I need to do a lot in the house. I've been working so much that I haven't been able to get anything accomplished in my home, which sucks. So I go to work, go to my second job, come home and sleep. So I need to clean. I also need to go to the next town, get my mail Sunday. So I'm gonna say hey to my mom. But yeah, so let's go do our face, hair, all that good stuff, and get ready for the day. So I'm out the shower and I am about to clean. When I say my apartment is rough, it's rough. Now, this is not the roughest it's ever been, but it's rough. And a lot of this is because I get on TikTok Shop and I continue to request samples. So now I'm in sample hell with a bunch of boxes and a bunch of products everywhere. Okay, so I have a lot of stuff I need to figure out what I'm going to do with. And I also need to clean a section against my wall that like has like things in boxes and stuff from when I moved in my room. And that's because I have a vanity that I need to put together eventually one day. But I need to get that area straightened up so that I can at least, you know, start working on that. But I'm going to clean up my living room and then I need to jump to my kitchen. And I'm hoping this doesn't take me long, but I'm going to throw something on YouTube, watch it, you know, get in the groove and clean up my nasty apartment. So I've made a little progress. The floor is clear at least. I constantly get sidetracked, all that good stuff. Started watching TV, started watching Takedown with Chris Hansen. I love Chris Hansen. Chris Handsome. I love him. So every time there's a new episode, I watch it and I get distracted. But I'm going to head to the kitchen and I think I'm probably going to stop after that because my second job called and was like, you want to work? I'm like, girl, yes. I like eating. So I am going to wrap this up and I think I'm probably going to, I took chicken out. I think I'm also going to cook. So the issue that I'm having at work, if anybody has any suggestions, let your girl know, because I work outside, as you all can see from just the tan, like that's my V-neck shirt, like where it, like I'm tan. Yeah. I work outside, and because it is constantly hot, I have a cooler, I have ice, and I try to keep my food as cold as possible because it's so hot. The humidity is bad in my car, and I can't keep my food cold. So I have to figure out what can I safely take to work to eat, and you know, and not be like snack food. You know, I want food. So if you guys have any suggestions, something that can stand up in the heat, something that I can hopefully meal prep. I will suck that up and I will meal prep because I work so much now. Just what do you guys suggest? Because I don't know what to eat now. For a long time there, like for the first couple of weeks, I wasn't really eating much. And because I'm burning so many calories and sweating so much in the sun, I was staying hydrated, but I wasn't really eating. And that would cause me to lose so much energy. So yeah, what do you guys suggest? I have to look up and see what I can take, what I can eat, because I'm hungry at work for 8 hours. So I took chicken out. And I'm thinking that I'm going to maybe put it in the crock pot. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. I think maybe I'll put it in the crock pot. See what I can do with that. And leave it for the next 6-8 hours. Cook it. And then in my head, if it's already... But... I don't want to take food out of the refrigerator and have it in my car. And I need suggestions because at this point I'm struggling when it comes to eating food at work. But yep, I'm going to wrap this up. I have a couple of videos to do for TikTok and I've been posting on my TikTok. I'm proud of myself. I have dead ass been posting on my TikTok. really proud of myself. So if you guys have not followed me yet, it is simply Alexis. It should be on the screen. So follow me on TikTok. That is where I actually upload like in actual like the day of that when I do something. So it's more consistent. I'm trying to make it more consistent than, you know, just the vlogs. But follow me on TikTok because that's apparently what all the gym girlies are, and I'm trying to be a gym girly. We are back home. So I went and did everything I needed to do. I did not pick up anything to eat. Unfortunately, I am going to have to find something here in the house. I did take out chicken. God knows what we're going to do with that. I have no idea. I don't have to work tomorrow, so there's no rush. But I want to take this time to thank you for watching this video. If you have not, please subscribe because we are a family over here. Help your girl out and go over to her TikTok. I would appreciate that. But with that being said, I will catch you in the next one.